As an architect, engineer, general contractor, or owner, you know it involves the coordination of many disciplines to take a building project from conceptual design to a fully operational asset. But what if this process was more simple? Imagine if the data you create at the earliest stages of your project seamlessly flowed to everyone involved, without getting lost or held up along the way. Imagine embracing a dynamic, multi-directional approach where everyone can collaborate in real time. With digital project delivery, architects, engineers, contractors, and owners can now work in a common data environment where the right data can be shared with the right people at the right time. No more waiting on design handoffs, no more miscommunication, and no more data gaps. Stakeholders can now visualize the full picture from the earliest sketches to the final handover. Imagine architects presenting clients with thoughtful iterations of a design, while engineers work on structural analyses in parallel, and general contractors provide up-to-the-minute information on constructability and cost. With DPD, teams can work together effortlessly, protecting intellectual property, reducing errors, and ensuring that every decision is informed by the latest data. During construction, field teams can access live models on their mobile devices, capturing and updating information on the go. Changes in the field are instantly reflected up and down the project chain, allowing architects to adjust designs, contractors to manage schedules and budgets, and owners to approve changes with confidence. And it doesn't stop there. At project completion, using DPD solutions leads to a reliable digital record, complete with as-built drawings, equipment manuals, and maintenance schedules, giving owners a head start on operational readiness and setting the foundation for future building improvements. Teams can then leverage this project data to work more efficiently on future projects. Deliver the right data at the right time to the right people. Enable accurate insights for project decisions, and equip your business to be future-ready and resilient. Collaborate on building projects better together with digital project delivery.